In this exercise, we will solve question number 25th of exercise 1.1. And question we have x negative 1 over 3 positive 1, which is equal to 2x plus 7 divided by 6. See, in this question we have fraction, and I have told you if you have a fraction, you have to eliminate the fraction. How we will eliminate the fraction? We have to multiply each term. How many terms we have? 1, 2, 3. We have to multiply each term with a number that will cancel the denominator, right? So see, here we have 3, here we have 6. If we will multiply each term by 3, this 3 and this 3 will cancel, but here again we will have 2 in the denominator. See, 3 I will write down here, 3 one time, 3 two times. So it means we can multiply each term not with 3 but by 6. So make the parenthesis here and 6. See here now, 3 one time, 3, 3 two times 6. And here same thing, 6 one time, 6 one time. So our fraction has gone. Now what we have left? 2 into x minus 1 positive 6, which is equal to 2x positive 6. Here we have 2 in front of the parenthesis, so we have to multiply 2x negative 2 positive 6, which is equal to 2x plus 7. Now take the transpose. See, this is 2x, this is, it will be negative 2x. When we will bring to the left side, the sign will change. Now it has positive 1, only 7 we have on the right hand side. And take the transpose of these two. It is negative 2, it will be positive 2. It is positive 6, it will be negative 6. So again, see, this is positive, this is negative, it will cancel each other. This is 9 minus 6, which is equal to 3. But again, we do not have any value of x. 0 is equal to 3. It means it is not linear equation. There is no solutions. Right? Practice this problem, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.